Avocado farming secrets for 60% yield increase and 35% cost cutting. Secret number 1. Site selection and rootstock, and these are the foundation of success. Understanding avocado's critical site requirements. The single most important decision determining whether your avocado orchard will thrive for 40 to 60 years, generating consistent profits, or struggling for 10 to 15 years before succumbing to root rot and disappointing returns, is proper site selection and rootstock choice. Yet this is precisely where 60 to 70% of new avocado farmers make catastrophic mistakes, planting in poorly drained soils, frost-prone valleys, or using inappropriate rootstocks that doom their orchards to failure, regardless of subsequent management excellence. Therefore, understanding avocado's non-negotiable requirements transforms site evaluation. Drainage is absolutely critical. Avocados possess shallow, coarse, fragile root system with minimal fine root hairs that require constant oxygen availability, cannot tolerate waterlogging, even briefly. Between 24 to 48 hours of saturated soil kills feeder roots, causing permanent damage, and are extremely susceptible to phytophthora. This is cinnamomum, root rot that thrives in wet soils, destroying roots and killing trees. Sites with poor drainage, that is having heavy clay soils, compacted subsoils, high water tables, or inadequate slope, creates permanent disaster regardless of management. No amount of expertise or investment can overcome fundamentally unstable sites. Optimal avocado sites feature well-drained soils, sandy loams, or volcanic soils with good structure, allowing rapid water percolation. Gentle slopes of between 3 to 15%, providing natural drainage without excessive erosion. Deep soil profile of 1+ meter, allowing root development. pH of between 5.5 to 7.0, though avocado tolerates between 5.0 to 7.5. Minimally salinity, that is less than 1.0. Less than 1.0 electricity conductivity. Avocado are extremely salt sensitive and suitable climate without extreme frosts. Mature trees tolerate brief exposure to between -2 to -4 degrees Celsius, but prolonged freezing or temperatures below below -4 degrees C cause severe damage to death, while adequate chilling sometimes require between 50 to 150 hours less than 7 degrees C. Moderate temperatures during flowering and fruiting, that is optimal between 15 to 28 degrees C, and protection from excessive wind. The economic implications are stark. Establishing 1 hectare of avocado can cost between $8,000 to $15,000, including trees, irrigation, labor, and inputs over the 3 to 5 years establishment period before commercial production begins, then requires 5 to 8 years before reaching full production, generating maximum returns. This 8 to 13-year investment horizon from planting to peak returns means site selection errors waste a decade plus of time, opportunity costs, and capital that can never be recovered. An orchard or poorly drained site might produce marginally for 5 to 10 years before root rot destroys 50 to 80% of trees, forcing abandonment, losing the entire $8,000 to $15,000 establishment investment plus 5 to 10 years of opportunity costs. That is alternate crops or investment that could have generated returns. While an orchard or an optimal site produces profitably for 40 to 60 years, generating 800,000 between 800,000 to $2.4 million cumulative profit over its lifetime. That is between $20,000 to $40,000 per hectare annually for 40 to 60 years. The difference between failure and generational wealth determined by initial site selection, implementing proper site evaluation and rootstock selection. Conduct systematic site evaluation before any planting investment. Test soil drainage by digging multiple pits between 60 to 80 centimeter deep across the planned orchard area, filling with water and monitoring drainage rate. Water should drain completely within 24 to 48 hours. Sites where water remains after 48 hours are unsuitable and require either selection of alternative sites or expensive drainage improvement, tile drainage, raised beds, or molding, costing between $2,000 to $6,000 per hectare. Soil testing evaluates pH, salinity, nutrient status, and potential toxicity, like having excessive boron, chloride, or sodium, guiding amelioration or site selection. Climate assessment reviews historical temperature records, identifying frost frequency and severity. Reviews chilling hour accumulation, ensuring adequate but not excessive cold, and evaluates wind exposure requiring windbreaks if excessive. Water availability evaluating ensures reliable irrigation access for between 8,000 to 12,000 cubic meters per hectare annually. Insufficient water dooms rain-fed avocados except in ideal rainfall regions, that is greater than 1,200 millimeter annual rainfall with good distribution. This systematic evaluation presents catastrophic mistakes with professional consultation between $500 to $2,000 for comprehensive site assessment by avocado agronomists, representing the single best investment in avocado orchard establishment. Let's look at rootstock selection. This provides the second most critical decision. Modern phytophthora tolerant rootstock dramatically improve tree survival and performance in less than ideal sites, though they cannot overcome fundamentally unstable drainage conditions. For commercial avocados, cultivators utilize appropriate rootstock that provides excellent phytophthora tolerance, good salt tolerance, vigorous growth, and wide adaptability, becoming the preferred rootstock globally. This is called DUSA. There is R 0.12 inch, offers excellent Phytophthora tolerance with slightly smaller tree size, suitable for high-density planting. Bounty. This is South African rootstock. Provide Phytophthora tolerance plus good fruit production. Duke 7-inch. This one shows excellent disease resistance and vigor in various environments, while Mexican seedling rootstocks provide excellent cold tolerance and are still used in appropriate climates but lack Phytophthora resistance. Never use Guatemalan or West Indian seedling rootstocks in areas with Phytophthora pressure. They are extremely susceptible and create guaranteed failure. Source certified virus-free nursery trees from reputable nurseries, costing between $8 to $15 per tree typical. Saving money buying cheap and certified trees, risk in introducing sun blot, virus, or other pathogens that permanently reduce productivity. For farmers with less than ideal sites already planted or committed, implement raised beds or mounds, elevating the root zone between 40 to 60 centimeters above natural soil level, improving drainage. Though this requires substantial investment of about 40 to 80 hours per hectare, labor for mounding by hand, or between $800 to $1,500 for mechanical mounding, and ongoing erosion management. Establish tile drainage system if waterlogging occurs seasonally, costing between $3,000 to $6,000 per hectare, but enabling profitable production on otherwise unsuitable sites, or accept higher disease risk and tree losses of between 20 to 40% over 15 to 20 years, planting for progressive replanting. Avocado farming secrets for 60% yield increase and 35% cost cutting. Secret number 2. Click on the link below to watch this inspiring secret.